Hi sweet blossoms, I'm Nazanin and today I'm bringing a little sunshine to your hooks. We're gonna crochet a beautiful sunflower motif together. It's bright, cheerful and perfect for so many projects like coasters, bag, beach dress, even blanket. Grab your yarn and hook and let's make this sunny beauty glow. Make a magic ring at the start of our sunny day. Wrap a yarn around your finger, insert your hook on inside it. Bring yarn out and make a chain. Now we're gonna making 4 chains. As a first double crochet and chain 1. Then make a double crochet. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the circle, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2. Now we're gonna making chain 1. And now we're gonna making 10 more double crochet with chain 1 in the circle. Look, double crochet, chain 1. Repeat this diagram until the end. That your total of your double crochets must be 12 in the end with 12 chain 1 spaces. Okay. Okay, close the hole by pulling up the loop from the first. Now join with the slip stitch the third chain. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it by a needle all the time. Let me show you. Insert your needle under the third stitch. Look, 1, 2 and 3 under it. Bring it out and insert your needle inside the first stitch and bring it out. Here is our ending of the row. There's no sign of sewing. Now in the wrong side, move between the stitches very slowly and secure your tail of the yarn. If you are brand new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet, and if you are enjoying the crocheting and if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out my upcoming videos. We must secure the tail of the yarn from the magic ring of the first between the stitches too. We must secure it better than me because I wanna doing fast it. Okay, here is our first round. For the round 2 with your next color, make a slip knot on your hook. Now wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the each of chain 1 space you like, bring it out, and again wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out. Repeat this part 4 times. Okay, we're gonna making puff stitch, and in the end pull through all the loops. Now we're gonna making 2 chains, 1 chain for the puff stitch and 1 chain for the chain 1 space. Okay, again repeat this for the other one. In the next chain space, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into chain space, grab a yarn, bring it out. Repeat this part 4 times. Okay, in the end pull through all the loops, then make 2 chains. Okay, again look, wrap a yarn, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out. Repeat this diagram 4 times in the same chain space, pull through all the loops and make 2 chains. Do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the top of the first puff stitch, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Don't be shy, I'm here to help you. What's your favorite color for making this granny? Let me know in comments. Secure your tail of the yarn between the stitches. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn and go for the next round, round 3. Make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook twice for making a treble crochet. Okay, insert your hook into the each chain space you like, grab a yarn, bring it out and pull through 2 and pull through 2. Skip the last part of your treble crochet, then make 3 more treble crochet in the same chain space. Don't complete in each of them. Look, skip the last loop of each of treble crochet. In the end we have 5 loops. Pull through all the 5 loops, then make 3 chains. I prefer to you make 4 chains if you want and you don't want to give it a steam. It's better than you make 4 chains here. Okay, into the next chain space make 4 treble crochet together. When you make 1 treble crochet, don't complete it and skip the last loop of it until you reach to the 4th treble crochet. Then pull through all the 5 loops and make 3 chains. As I said to you, you can make 4 chains. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the top of the petal of the treble crochet. Look, the shape of the petals here. Look at it. That's why I told you you can make 4 chains in this round between the petals, but don't worry about this shape. If you made 3 chains, it will be okay, but little few bursts of the steam with the steam iron. I'll show you in the end of the video. Please stay tuned until the end that you can see it. Okay, look at the petals. Aren't they just blooming beautifully? I think they're very beautiful. After that we steam it. It will be better. As I said to you, I want to give it a steam with the steam iron. Okay, go for the next round. Grab your other yarn, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook into the each chain space you want, bring yarn out, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Here is our first treble crochet. Then make 3 chains. If you want, you can make count 8 stitches as a first treble crochet and 3 chains. Okay, then make 2 more treble crochet in the same chain space and make a chain. Go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain in each of next 2 chain 3 spaces. Okay, this is the first chain 3 space. Again, make 3 double crochet and chain 1 into the next chain space. Okay, now we're gonna making 2 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains. Again, 2 treble crochet in the same chain space plus chain 1. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the diagram by 3 double crochet, chain 1 in the each next 2 chain spaces. In the other corner, 2 treble crochet, 3 chains and 2 treble crochets, chain 1. Repeat this diagram until the end here. In the end, make 1 more treble crochet in the first chain space and join with the slip stitch to the first treble crochet, okay, or 5th chain if you made with a chain, okay. Go to the chain space by the slip stitch, then make 6 chains as a first double crochet and 2 chain, okay. Again, make 3 double crochet in the same chain space. And now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches, even chain 1 spaces, okay. Continue with making 1 double crochet into the each stitches of the each side of your square. Our sunflower is almost ready to brighten up our crochet projects. I love the sunflowers. I think the granny motifs of the sunflowers is perfect for the summer. Okay, in the corner spaces, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochets, okay. Continue this diagram until the end of the row. As I said to you, I love the sunflowers. They're perfect. Continue to the end by making 1 double crochet in the each side, in the each stitches. In the corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. In the end, make 2 more double crochet in the first chain space and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Now you can make this granny as big as you want by continuing with a few more rounds with double crochets in the corners. Make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the each stitches. But I want to make 1 round, the last round, with the single crochet. It's helped my granny that fix it and have a perfect and straight in the each side in the shape, okay. Move to the corner by the slip stitch, make a chain, doesn't count it as a stitch, make a single crochet, 2 chains and single crochet in the corner space, then make 1 single crochet into the each next stitches of the each side of the square, okay. It's up to you that you want to make this last round with the single crochet or you didn't. And as I said to you, you can make this square bigger, and after that you can join them together, your squares I mean. If you want to know the methods of the joining the squares, you can find the some of them in the beginners stitches playlist, okay. And then join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, skip that first chain 1 and fasten off and hide the tail of the yarn. And you can find the method of the joining the squares in some of my tutorials. You can watch them in the bags and keychain playlist. Watch the movies of the bags. I had taught you few type of the joining methods in there. You can use your hook or your needle if you want, okay. Done. Our little motif is done. Now I'm gonna make it straight and even by give it a few bursts of the steam. Let me show you. Put your motif in the wrong side on the desk, and you just need to hold the steam iron about 2 or 3 centimeters away from the motif and give it a few bursts of the steam, then tap on it and gently stretch the motif from all four sides to make it flat and even. I give it a few steams again and do it again, and alternatively you can do this on the blocking board for more precision. Okay, and done. Here is our little cute sunflower motif. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I hope you enjoyed making this sunny sunflower motif as much as I did. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends who love to crochet too. I'd be happy to see your creation. Send me your photos at my email address crochetsimple89@gmail.com. Let's keep crocheting and separating the sunshine together. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.